Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove another language dictionary on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings, and in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on General. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Dictionary. Next, from the list of all the different dictionaries, you can select one that you would like to use. So for example, here we've got Italian to English. So tap on that, and that will proceed to download and add in the additional dictionary language to your iPhone. Now we'll let that finish, and you can continue to add in more dictionary if you wanted to. And that's it. After that, just tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.